So this video is question number 8, and in question number 8 we are told to evaluate the limit as x approaches 0 of 6 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x minus 2 raised to the power of x plus 1, all divided by x squared. So we move on directly to evaluate this limit. I'm going to write this is equal to, but not equal to, it is equal to the limit as x approaches 0. Now I'm going to write 6 raised to the power of x in a very interesting way. So 6 is 3 times 2, and this that thing is raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x, and then minus 2 raised to the power of x plus 1. Everything divided by x squared. That's what I'm going to write out. Now, once I've written that expression like that, I can move on to distribute, because 3 times 2 is 6. So I can move on to distribute the power over each of them. So I'm going to have a limit of 3 raised to the power of x times 2 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x minus 2 raised to the power of x plus 1, all divided by x squared as x approaches 0. Great. Now once I do that, the next thing is the factor by grouping. So I'll have the limit. I'm going to take this 3 raised to the power of x times 2 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x as one expression, and then plus in this other parenthesis I'm going to write minus 2 raised to the power of x plus 1, all divided by x squared as x approaches 0. Great. Once I do that, I'm going to apply the factoring by grouping method by factoring out 3 raised to the power of x from here, because that is the greatest common factor there. So the limit as x approaches 0. If I factor out 3 raised to the power of x, I am definitely going to have, so yeah, I'm just going to have 2 raised to the power of x minus 3 raised to the power of x divided by 3 raised to the power of x is just 1. And then when I'm done with that, here I factor out a negative 1 to make the coefficient of negative 2 positive. So I factor out negative 1, I will have 2 raised to the power of x minus 1. So this time this is this, and this time this is this, all divided by x squared. So this will be equals to the limit. I can now group 3 raised to the power of x negative 1, so 3 raised to the power of x minus 1, and then I group 2 raised to the power of x, I take one of these, so 2 raised to the power of x minus 1 as x approaches 0, all divided by x squared. So once I do that, the next thing I'm going to do is to distribute that x squared under each of the expression there. So I'll have the limit of 3 raised to the power of x minus 1 all over x as x approaches 0, multiplied by the limit of 2 raised to the power of x minus 1 all over x as x approaches 0. So if I do that, according to our rule that we have, this will give you the ln of 3. So this is the ln of 3, and this one is the ln of 2. So the final answer is ln of 3, ln of 2. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.